How you doing, guys? Welcome to our project in St Albans. We're well underway with a double-storey side, double-storey rear extension, full renovation internally, nothing's staying, everything's coming off. Absolutely gutting the place. It's going to look absolutely brilliant when it's all done, but let's go and see how the boys are getting on. It's a sweltering hot day, as you can see, but the lads are up on the roof. We're working away with a cut roof, got a crown roof going on up there. A little bit complicated at times, but there's nothing too much that we can't handle. Ready to start pushing on with the interiors. Got the cut roofers coming at the end of next week, and we'll start getting it watertight, so that's going to be a massive move. Here we are now in the new kitchen living area. As you can see, it's an absolute massive space now we've finished with this. This is all a massively new part of the build. Gone really well so far. We're actually making hay while the sun's going. We're looking to start pushing on, ready to get this sort of wrapped up in the next 4 months. But as you can see, things are cracking on really nicely. Upstairs here, we're doing exactly the same thing. It's going to have a massive, complete overhaul. All the walls are moving around. We've got new bathrooms going in. We've got an ensuite. We're also putting a laundry room upstairs. It's going to have the tumble dryer and washing machine upstairs. It makes a lot more sense if you've got the space. As you can see at the moment, we're right back to brick, but a few months' time it's going to have a massive transformation, so keep your eyes peeled. Thanks so much for coming and having a little look around the project that we've got on the go at the moment. If any of this interests you, or you want to twist my ear about some potential projects, extensions, conversions, refurbishments around Hertfordshire area, then please give me a call. That's Ben Bagshaw from D&B Building. Thanks very much.